Dude, Diego.
What, Brad?
Gotta check out my girlfriend, man. Dude, she's freaking hot. Oh.
Dude, that's Victoria's Secret.
No, it's not. That's
Yeah.
my girlfriend. This is Cynthia. Oh. You like her?
Dude, that's Victoria's Secret.
Dude. Look at some of her friends, man.
Dude, that's Heidi like clone, dude.
Oh, Clue?
Heidi something, dude. She makes something like black
Oh,
guy.
see, oh, she's hot too. Oh.
Dude, that's
She
Victoria's
has a lot.
Secret.
I met. She gave me this booklet, and she's like, "Dude, here's me and all my friends." And I'm like, "Dude, no way!" And she's like, "Yeah, dude, that's my friend." I'm like, "There's Rachel and Bobby Joe."
Dude, that's the same chick, dude.
No, it's the twins, man, twins. Oh, I like twins. Oh, dude.
Dude, that's Victoria's Secret, man.
No, it's
Dude, just a
not.
little while ago, they tell me how they're half men. You're in
No,
love with the book
one of
now?
her friends' name is Victoria, man. Victoria is her. You should go out with her, man. She's hot. There she is, right there. She has pants on. I don't know why. All the other ones don't have pants on, but
Yeah,
she's
you okay?
Victoria's like, oh
Hey,
gosh.
you like drink a little bit? You okay? Are you okay, Brad? Are you?